Wow, sunod-sunod na pagwawagi. Iba talaga ang solid fans ng SB19 ang 18 sa pagsuporta dahil ang grupo wagi sa halos lahat ng nominasyon nito. Congratulations SB19 na sungkit ang pagkapanalo sa SEC Award. Ito'y dahil na din sa mataas na boto na nakuha nila. Meaning active at solid ang kanilang fan base. Mula sa post ng DLM naman, congratulations SB19 for leading the winner circle at the Saudi National Music Awards 2025. We are proud of you. Greetings from your DLM Eventive Singapore family with National Commission for Culture and the Arts and CCA Commissioner Arvin Manuel Villalon said, SB19 is being recognized for their outstanding musical achievements locally and internationally. And yes, it is a known fact that they have significantly shaped the Philippine music landscape, and specifically their P-pop musical campaign and movement. Congratulations! 23 days till SB19 take over. P-pop Kings live in Singapore. Last remaining tickets, gold $198 and silver $178. Samantala, latest update naman sa Billboard Fan Army. The drill is here as of 6 a.m. today. We are still ahead against our opponent and we only have 18 hours left to widen the gap. SB19, 83.4% vote, while Post Malone, 16.6% vote. Samantala, nasagot na nga ang mga tanong na ito, bakit walang stop toy na hawak si Pinunong Pablo? Anyway, pinakita nga ng isang fan, meron si Ken, meron din naman si Stel, meron si Josh, meron silang lahat, pati si Justin. At ang tanong ng mga netizen, especially the fan 18, bakit wala ang kanilang CEO na si Pablo? Well, mula kay Rina Biteng Guerrero, narito po ang kanyang paliwanag. Say niya, hello mga Cups! A photo of photos has been circulating and questioning kung bakit walang toy si Pablo. Meron po silang lahat, di po pwede na walang toy si Pablo kasi siya po ang bias ko. Di ko na iabot sa kanya agad kasi nasa kabilang side ako, tapos pinagmamadali na nila kaming pumwesto. After the photo op, I was able to give it to him. After that, my staff na nagtanong bakit wala kay Josh. Yung kay Josh kasi, naiabot ko na sa kanya nung soundcheck pa lang. Siya lang nakakita sa akin kaya siya lang naabutan ko. All of them may lupi. Yung KP Bara ni Ja, bigay naman ng anak ko na maisan. I love them all. I would never leave anyone empty-handed. Okay na po ba? So ayan po, malinaw na po ang lahat. Lahat po sila ay mayroon. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.